Throughout history, governments and money have always been intertwined. Now, money must enjoy the support of the private sector to carry any value, but governments have always been involved to provide some degree of trust.
What do people need to know about digital currencies going forward and how it might affect their lives, their future, or end the world as we know it, Chris?
Whenever you go from an analog to a digital construct, your choices become infinite, your design choices. So just as it can be designed to be a privacy eroding and censorship imposing instrument, so it can also be designed to be a privacy protecting and a censorship resistant instrument. If we simply put our hands up and say, no way, no how, then we don't have a seat at the table. Let's make it clear to policymakers that privacy must be central. If we get privacy wrong in a digital dollar, it will be a disaster. But let's look at it the other way. If we get privacy right in a digital dollar, how powerful would that be? And for those who say, no, just leave it to the private sector to design money. Let's let the private sector. Well, how has that worked out in the area of speech to operate the public square in the form of Facebook, in the form of Twitter? Let's look at the prospect of sovereign and non-sovereign digital money as an opportunity to upgrade privacy. And there's no question that the future of money is networked and digital and programmable. Let's use this digital revolution to regain what we've lost.